everyone, my name is Gurneet Bhatia Agarwal. I am the founder of Gursh Infra Realtors and Gursh Green Solutions Private Limited, Kanpur. I have been working for 7.5 years as a digital marketing expert. As an alumni from Psit, I have learned great abilities in upscaling my talent. Today I sit here and I talk to you all students. I would like to tell you that all my experiences were a learning lesson all throughout my engineering career. I have also been invited as a TEDx speaker, and when I delivered my first TED talk, I really felt very empowered. That's what Psit is all about. It is going to nurture you in a way wherein you will not just be technically sound, but you will grow up as a great and a strong individual altogether. I hereby welcome all the students, and I look forward to meet you all and learn all the abilities which I could adapt for myself. I really want all the Psitians to make great shout out in the world. So hence, looking forward to see you all for my digital marketing expert session and making strong individuals amongst you all. See you all. Thank you so much.